Here's a great projection alarm clock with thermometer from SmartRow. This is model SM3531. It features a very large LCD display showing time, date, day, and also temperature along with humidity. This also has a projector built in, so this can shine on your ceiling in your bedroom, so you don't even have to look around for your clock. You can just gaze up at the ceiling to see the time being displayed. And I'll turn the lights off and show you that. Okay, this also features two different alarms for him and her, or him and him, and you set these here on the side. You can also charge a cell phone or any other device with the USB charging port here. It comes with its own AC charging power pack plugged in here, and it also has battery backup via two AAA batteries that I've installed here. It's a great size and a very functional projection alarm clock with thermometer from SmartRow.